Hi Andy, everyone. Welcome to the Vidya Talks. This is the Janardhan, your zoology faculty. Clear? Today I am going to explain how to get the good marks in the zoology IPE 2025. Clear? First of all, how to get? How to get means first of all what you know. Clear? What we know. Now, first of all, what we know today, clear, that is the first weightage of the chapters. Means each chapter carry the how many marks. Clear? Second thing is the what are the previous year questions in the each chapter. Clear? Third thing is the presentation of the paper, and fourth thing is the time adjustment. This is all. Presentation and time adjustment, you are the senior students, we know the very well about that because you have the experience in your previous first year examination. That's why that is the very easily to compensate or to balance that one presentation as well as the time management. Clear? First we know the weightage of the each chapter. Clear? Look at that on the display. Clear? There are the chapter weightages are there. Clear? There are in this chapter one thing I can explain clearly. Clear? You can follow the unit wise. Clear? In this one you go to the human physiology. In that human physiology there are the 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B, 4A, 4B, 5A, 5B. Now don't follow the A and B. Now you can follow the weightage as the unit. Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4, Unit 5. Clear? Unit 6, Unit 7. Like that one, don't go for the Unit 1A, 1B, not 2A, 2B, like that one. Clear? I clearly explained that one. You follow the weightage that will be only by unit wise, not by the chapter wise. Clear? In this one, first unit, they can carry the completely 10 marks. First unit, that is the digestion and absorption as well as the breathing and exchange of gases. These two chapters that is considered as a first unit that will be carry the 10 marks. In these 10 marks, they give the two short answer, one very short answer. Two short answers from one is the digestion and another one is the respiration. But another 2 marks answer will be either in the digestion or either in the respiration. Clear? Compulsory they give the 10 marks questions. Clear? 10 marks. Clear? Either 2 short answer, 1 very short answer. That very short answer either in the digestion or either in the respiration. Don't be focused only one chapter like digestion they give the. Most of the members are saying that the digestion question only given. But sometimes they give the respiration. There is the no choice. They follow the only 10 marks of that unit. But not the type of questions. Unlike that is the first unit carry the 10 marks. In the 10 marks, 4 marks for the digestion and respiration, 1 mark for 2 marks from the either of the digestion or respiration. Go to the second unit. In the second unit, there are 2 chapters are there. That is the circulation and excretion is there. In this circulation and excretion, they carry the 10 marks. In this chapter also, they can carry the 10 marks. In the 10 marks, they give the 1 long answer and 1 very short answer. Long answer will be given in the second unit. Clear? That is the circulation or excretion. In these long answer, there are 4 long answer are present among these 2 chapters. One is the structure of the heart and another one is the working of heart and structure of the nephron and formation of urine. Among this one, most of the time repeated question is the structure of heart and working of the heart. The most important these 2 things. Among these 4 questions, 1 question is given in your final examination. Clear? Either in that one, either excretory or circulation, any of them, they compulsory give the 1 questions. That's why don't completely blindly follow the only circulatory system question is given. That's why I follow the circulatory system. I can leave the excretory system. Now don't do that blind mistake. The second unit carry the 1 long answer, 1 very short answer. Clear? Not the chapter. Clear? Any of the chapter they given the 1 long answer and 1 very short answer. Go to the third unit. Clear? That third unit carry the musculoskeletal system and neural system. In that one they can be give the 8 marks questions. Clear? In that 8 marks, clear, either 2 are the 2 marks and 1 is the 4 mark or otherwise 2 are the 4 marks. Clear? There is no very short answer. That is the choice of the paper setters. Clear? They not follow the completely particular type of the question, like two are the must and should very short answer, one is the short answer. There is no, they carry the only 8 marks, they give the 8 marks. Clear? How that 8 marks are given? Either 2 are the short answer or 1 is the short answer, 2 are the very short answer. They can carry the 8 marks. That's why don't follow the type of question, just to follow the 8 marks. In that 8 marks they are given any type, either 2 are the very short or 1 or 2 are the short. Clear? But most of the time they are repeated, 1 short answer, 2 are the very short answers. Clear? 1 are the short answer and 2 are the very short answer from the third unit, that is the musculoskeletal system and neural coordination. But what are that important way short answer in that chapters are like synovial joint, Cori's cycle, pelvic girdle. Clear? These are the 3 important questions in the musculoskeletal system. And another important questions like synaptic transmission, chemical synaptic transmission, retina of the eye, spinal cord diagram. These are the important questions in this musculoskeletal or neural coordination, that is the third unit. Among these 6 questions, compulsory 1 question is given in your final examination. Next one, going to the 4th unit. That 4th unit is also carry the 8 marks. Clear? In that 8 marks, they share the marks either to the immune system or endocrine system. Clear? Endocrine system and immune system both are under the 4th unit. In that 4th unit they carry the 10 marks. In the 8 marks, in that 8 marks, 4 marks plus 2 or 2, or either 2 4 marks or 1 4 mark and 2 very short answer. Clear? Most of the time they repeated very short answer from the each chapter, that is endocrine system and immune system, and short answer will be given either of the immune system or endocrine system. That's why don't follow the completely one thing, you can follow the 8 marks, and in both chapter you can read the short answers as well as the very short answer. Again, next one, 4th unit is the very important unit in the case of the long answer questions, because in the human reproduction, now there are the only 2 long answers are there, male reproductive system and female reproductive system. In these 2 chapters, the 2 questions compulsory 1 question is given. Now that's why this is the most important chapter in the long answer point of view. Only 2 long answer, out of 2 long answers, 1 long answer is compulsory given. In the previously in human physiology, like 2nd unit, circulation and excretion, there are 4 long answers are there. Among the 4, 1 question is given. Among the 2, there is the male and female, 1 question is given. 2 long answers are completed in our question paper. Clear? And another very short answers also given here. Clear? That very short answer either human reproduction or reproductive health, any of the chapter they give the 1 very short answer. Must and should they give the long answer, either male or female. These are the most important, most of the time repeated. This one, among these 2 things compulsory 1 question is there. That's why you can be read must and should, these male and female. Clear? And go to the 6th, reproductive health. In that reproductive health, 1 short answer or 1 very short answer, any of that choice are there. Clear? 1 short answer is given from the reproductive health, very short answer are given in the reproductive system. If the reproductive health they give the very short answer, they give for the short answer from the reproductive system. They are the choice they taken for whatever the question is given in the reproductive system or reproductive health. That is the choice of the paper set. Go to the 6th unit, that is the complete genetics. Clear? In that genetics, that is also very very important chapter, because they are also carry the 12 marks. Clear? In the 12 marks they give the 1 long answer question and 1 short answer question. There are 3 long answers are most important long answer question. Among the 3 long answers only they give the 1 long answer in our final examination, that is the multiple alleles. Clear? With ABO blood grouping and sex determination, chromosomal theory of sex determination, and another one is the crisscross inheritance. These are the 3 types of the long answer questions are very very important in the genetic chapters. That's why these 3 long answer in genetics and 2 long answer from the reproduction, they give the compulsory to final examination. That's why these 5 questions you have to must and you can read. You compulsory 100% you are attempt the 2 long answer question in your final examination. That's why very important these 2 chapters in long answer point of view. For the backup purpose, For the unknown question they given, you can, for the backup, you can go for the human physiology, especially structure of the heart and functioning of the heart. That is the backup questions. Otherwise, you can be read the complete 4 questions in that excretion and circulation. You can take the backup for the genetics or reproduction. Whatever that, you compulsory read these 3 chapters for the long answer point of view. And another important thing, in the genetics 1 short answers are given. That short answer also very less are there. That is the especially 3 questions are there. One is the erythroblastocytosis and sex determination in human being and genic balance theory. Clear? And sometime applications are silent features of the HGP. These are the important questions in that one. That important question they give the one important question in that examination. Here next one, going to the 7th unit, that is the applied biology. In that applied biology, that chapter is very important for the very short answer, because that is the only chapter among these all chapters they give the 2 very short answer. Among the 8 units, clear, they give the 2 very short answer from the applied biology. That's why that applied biology is the very important in the 2 marks point of view. That's why you can focus on the 2 marks in that chapter, and also 1 short answer. The short answer, most important short answers are there, like types of the cancers, avian flu, economical importance of the honeybee, and ECG. These are the most of the times they are repeated questions. You can be focused on that repeated questions. You will get the most of the time that will be get that in the question paper. Clear? That's why previous year question paper follow-up is very important to get the more and more marks. Every student from bottom to the top student, everyone compulsory they get the good marks. This is the pattern of the subject wise importance to the short answer and very short answers. Clear? I can be give the one suggestion also to the especially who are study the second year students. You can be study the these IPE pattern or IPE questions. That will be very useful to the your objective exams like MCET exam. Clear? Because of that questions will be given in the objective point of view MCET, especially because the human physiology is completely information provided in the long answer or short answer or very short answer. That will be give the objective way, unlike first year. Clear? That's why the second year students, you are the most important to expose to the MCET. Clear? Or NEET. Clear? That's why you can be follow that when purpose of that objective also. Don't blindly concentrate on the IP only. You can be that information is useful to the your objective like NEET or MCET. Clear? If you have any doubt in your in this pattern or any question, important questions or any information you want, you can be drop the one comment or one information in the comment box, and we can be provide or we can reach shortly. Clear? Thank you. All the best for your examination.